The first thing you'll want to do is go to a web browser and search for UNT Spark. Our website's the first link. On the left-hand side, select Events, Instruction, and Outreach. From there, click Classes, Groups, and Organization. Scroll down to the bottom and click Submit a Request. On this page, you'll select where you would like to have your group training at. Please keep in mind, not all equipment is available at all locations. Up here, you'll let us know if this is for a large group like a class or a club. If it's just for a few friends, you can go ahead and click No. Down here, you'll select what you want to be trained on. Now, go ahead and list a primary, secondary, and third date/time you could potentially have the training. Enter the topic or name of the event, enter how large your group will be, and then at the bottom, give us any additional info we might need to be aware of when scheduling this. Here you'll let us know what type of event you want. In an information session, we'll come to a class/club in person or over Zoom to give your group some info about the Spark. A tour is an overview of the space and what we offer. Resource overview is a deeper dive into a specific subset of equipment we have, like textiles, for example. An equipment training is a training on a specific piece of equipment like the 3D printer or soldering iron. A workshop/software training is a walkthrough of a specific piece of software that we have available to use in the Spark. Down here, you can let us know what class or club this is for. You can let us know what department that class or club is in, and then go ahead and enter a phone number and an email we can reach out to you with. Lastly, make sure to let us know who our primary point of contact will be. Make sure to fill out this form far in advance. That way we have time to prepare for your group training. If you need to ask us any questions after you filled out the form, feel free to reach out to us via email or over the phone. Schedule a group training today on our website.